Hello guys, welcome back to Learning Chinese for Beginners. Today our topic for learning and counting in Chinese from 11 to 20. Viewers, I hope that you might have got numbers from 0 to 10 in my lesson number 5. If there is any problem, please watch my Chinese lesson number 5, Chinese counting from 0 to 10. Viewers, let's start our lesson number 6, counting in Chinese from 11 to 20. As we know that in Chinese, counting 10 is pronounced as shi, pronounced as shi. And its Chinese hands is shi, just like this. When we put numbers E, R, Sun, etc. after 10, then it becomes 11, 12, 13, 14, etc. Let's start shi. Actually, shi is 10 in Chinese and E is 1. When both are combined, then it becomes shi. Shi means 11. Shi. Here, shi in R, shi'ar, it becomes 12, shi'ar, shisan, shis, means 14, shiwu means 15, Shiliu means 16. Shiliu. Shichi means 17. Shichi means 17. Shipa means 18. Shipa means 18. Shichiu 19. Shichiu 19. Arsh means 20. Here Ar and Sh, when both are combined, then Ar means 2, Sh means 10. Means 2 multiplied by 10 is equal to 20. Therefore it becomes Arsh means 20. Hope guys you must understand counting in Chinese from 11 to 20 in this lesson, and hope in our next lessons we will cover counting in Chinese from 0 to 100, and in our next lesson we will cover counting in Chinese from 21 to 30. See you in next lesson. Thanks for watching.